Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we have some electrifying news for you. Honor is about to unveil their highly anticipated foldable phone, the Honor Magic V2, which you are already aware of, so that's not the electrifying part. It's got to do with the sleekness, thinness, and how cool this foldable looks. Yeah, we have some hands-on images. The countdown has begun. On July 12th, Honor will launch the Magic V2 in China, claiming it to be the thinnest foldable smartphone to date. It's all set to break records and beat the current slimmest phone, the Huawei Mate X3. And the excitement doesn't end here. Honor has been teasing us with tidbits of information leading up to the launch. In the latest development, they have released camera samples taken by the president of product line at Honor. These stunning images capture a beautiful sunset in Beijing. They look incredibly detailed, but we will leave the judgment to you. It's worth mentioning that official photos may not always showcase the true camera capabilities, but it definitely piques our interest. But let's talk about the star of the show, the design of the Honor Magic V2. Honor has been singing praises of its lightness and thinness, and they are putting their money where their mouth is. They are even comparing the Magic V2's slimness to the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which weighs 240 grams, making us believe this foldable will weigh less than 240 grams. Foldable devices are storming the global market, challenging Samsung's monopoly. While brands like Xiaomi and Oppo are yet to launch their foldable phones outside of China, there's no shortage of options. Honor has been a frontrunner in the foldable game, with the Honor Magic VS being their latest triumph. But Honor is ready to raise the bar even higher. The Honor Magic V2 is all set to make its grand entrance on July 12th in China, followed by a global launch later this year. And guess what? We have gathered all the available details for you right here in this video, so let's dive right in. When it comes to foldable smartphones, one common concern is their heavy and bulky build. But fear not, because Honor understands the need for thin and lightweight devices. The Magic V2 aims to tackle this issue head-on and claims to be thinner than any other foldable phone on the market. The outer screen of the V2 showcases a slightly curved edge reminiscent of the Honor Magic VS. Speaking of design, Honor has released a teaser image that puts the Honor Magic V2 side by side with an older iPhone model and a feature phone. This comparison gives us a glimpse of how slim the Magic V2 truly is. It's a visual delight, but let's wait for the official launch to get the exact dimensions. Now let's talk about the display. While we don't have all the specifics just yet, early rumors suggest that the Honor V2 will feature a mesmerizing 7.9-inch foldable LTPO OLED display. We can expect a high refresh rate and a gearless hinge similar to the Magic VS, which means a smoother folding experience and a display with minimal creasing. But what about the powerhouse inside the sleek device? The Honor Magic V2 is expected to be powered by Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip, delivering blazing fast performance and seamless multitasking. And hold on tight, because there might be a surprise in store. Rumors has it that Honor will also release a supreme edition of the Magic V2, equipped with the even more powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC, if that's what you are waiting for. This means you will have the ultimate performance at your fingertips. Let's not forget about the camera, one of the most important aspects of any smartphone. While specific details are still under wraps, the Magic V2 is rumored to offer a periscope zoom lens and a whopping 54-megapixel Sony IMX800 primary sensor. Prepare to capture stunning photos with incredible detail and clarity. And with Magic OS 7 based on Android 13, you will have a user-friendly and seamless software experience. But wait, there's more. The Honor Magic V2 will come with a range of other impressive features. While the battery size might be smaller to accommodate its slim design, it is expected to support wireless charging and super fast 66-watt wired charging. And with dual SIM capabilities, 5G connectivity and USB-C port, this device has got you covered. Now let's address the big question, the pricing. While there haven't been any leaks yet, we can speculate that the Magic V2 will be priced higher than the Magic VS, but potentially lower than the original Magic V. Honor has always aimed to provide value for money, so we can expect competitive pricing that won't break the bank. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching till the very end, and catch you in the next one.